Good day everyone, my name is Micaela Donaire from grade 12 Quirino, Sagayen National High School. Percent in UK experience about consumers' attitude. According to Comar 2015, 18 to 28 people between group in India experience about consumers' attitude. 63% of Filipinos in the Philippines thought that online shopping is convenient. Millennial shoppers in Davao City prefer to buy new products that offered most value according to Marty Rodilia and T 2017. The main purpose of this is to know the gender, age bracket, and to describe the consumer's attitude of teachers. According to the theory of Martin Feshbin and Ice Argent developed the theory of reason action (TRA) in 1975. Fishbein and Argent 1975. TRA focuses on behavioral and intention and aims to understand the behavioral and intention and behavioral of an individual. Fishbein and Argent 1975. Conceptual paradigm: convenience, web design and features, time saving and security. The research design is this investigation employs a quantitative research using a descriptive research to examine the consumer's attitude of teachers in Sagayen National High School. The respondents will be teachers of Sagayen National High School. This research aims to draw meaningful insight that can be applied to enhance the consumer's attitude. The respondents were taken from the absolute population of 81. Population of Davao region grew from 655,463 in 1903 to 5,243,536 in 2020, an increase of 5,178. Statistical tool. The analysis of the data involved the application of the following statistical tools. Mean. This was used to determine the level of consumers' attitude among teachers in Sagayen National High School. The Table 1, the actual numbers of respondents were shown. The complete population size was 81. The respondents will pick based on random sampling in accordance with the permission, authorization, and guidance given by the school head and of the requirements of principals. Data on consumer attitude is presented in Table 2. According to convenience, web design and features, time saving and security. It is noted in the table that the grand mean is 3.63 in a descriptive equivalent of high. This indicates that there is a high level of consumer's attitude. Based on the table, we can see the mean and the descriptive equivalent in each indicators. Also, we can see the overall mean is 14.5, which is the descriptive equivalent is very high. Summary of findings. Based on the data gathered, the following findings were presented. The level of consumer attitude among teachers in Sagayen National High School has an overall mean of 3.63 with a descriptive equivalent high. Conclusion. Based on the findings of the study, the following conclusions are made. The level of consumer attitude is high evident. Recommendation. Recommendation 1. The enclosed policy guidelines on the implementation of Matatag curriculum are issued by the Department of Education, DepEd, to explain the curriculum feature, design, and requirements, as well as the offer context and guidance. All public and private schools, state universities and colleges, SACs, local universities and colleges, and the Philippines school overseas that provide basic education must adhere to the minimal criteria that have been specified. The Admission Nation 2040 ambition of Filipino students are embodied in Matatag curriculum, which equips them with 21st century abilities to succeed in the local and international labor market. The Matatag curriculum aims to create holistic and feature Filipino students who are peaceful, lifelong learners who uphold the fundamental principles of makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. DepEd administrator should give priority to this website design and feature in order to streamline administrative tasks and improve communication with stakeholders. Additionally, features in the website design can equip DepEd administrator with necessary tools to manage the education system of efficiency and guarantee smooth communication with all stakeholders. In order to influence website design and functionalities in the future, academics should concentrate on examining the possibilities of new technologies, user-centered design concept, and developing accessible standard. So, the last recommendations I give is the title, The Relationship Between Convenience and Consumer Purchasing Behavior, a Quantitative Study. Good day and thank you. So my study is all about a study on consumer attitude among teacher in Sagayan National High School. I am Mikaela. Thank you, Mom and Sir.